Good afternoon, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. Open your workbook. Open your workbook at the page number 22. Open your workbook, page number 22. Page number 22. Open. First one. What is this? Carriage. Identify the roots and stems in the given picture. It's a carrot. It is a root. Carrot is a root. Next one is potato. Potato is from stem. Stem. Next one is onion. Onion also stem. Beetroot. Beetroot from root. Come at this. Next, prepare different means from these parties. Prepare different menus for these pantries. Here, vegetables are given and non-vegetable is given, and vegans. What the vegans will eat? The products are given. Here, what are the products are there? You have to write. That's it. What are the food items are there? You have to write. Okay? Next, first one. Veg. Veg means rice. Dal is there. Pickle is there. Vegetable curry and curd. That is, these are the items eaten by vegetables. Non-vegetables. What do the non-vegetarians eat? Non-vegetarian eat chicken biryani, chicken biryani, egg curry, fish meat curry, fish fry. Fish fry. These are the items eaten by non-vegetarians. These are the items eaten by vegetarians. These are the items eaten by non-vegetarians. Next, vegans. What do vegans eat? Vegans. Vegetable salads. Vegans eat this. Vegetable curries, rice, dal, etc. They won't eat the animal products like curd, milk, honey. The vegans won't eat, no? The vegans won't eat the animal products like milk, curd, and also honey. They won't eat. These are the food items eaten by vegans. Okay? Completing. I'm rubbing. Next, why take open next page. Answer the following questions. Why we need food? First answer, writer. We need food We need food to get energy, to get energy, to get energy to work. We need food to get energy to work. It is essential. It is essential for growth, and health. For growth and health. Food is one of the food is one of our basic needs for our survival. Next, where do we get our food from? We get food from plants and animals, no? We get the food from plants and the animals. We get food from plants and animals. Okay? We need food to get energy to work. It is essential for growth and health. Food is one of our basic needs for our survival. Okay, Rabi. Next, what did the early man eat before the discovery of fire? Before the discovery of fire, the early man eat raw food. Raw food ante which is not boiled. Boiled cheyakundane meat tinevaadu. Okay? Third answer. The early man ate raw and uncooked food. Third class. Raw and uncooked food. Second activity. Second value. It is in the cover. Not in the cover. It's in the cover. I didn't go to second value. The early man ate raw and uncooked food before the discovery of fire. కుక్ చేయకుండానే పచ్చిది తినేవాడంట. నెక్స్ట్, which animals make food for us? What are the animals we use as food? Hens, ducks. Hen, duck, cow, buffalo, honeybee, goat, sheep, fish, fish, etc., etc. Make a food for us. Hen, duck, cow, buffalo, honeybee, goat, sheep, fish, etc. make food for us. This we can use as food. Why do we cook food? We cook food to make it softer. We cook food to make it softer, tasty, safe, soft, tasty, and easy to digest. That's what we are cooking our food. We cook food to make it soft, tasty, and easy to digest. Next, sixth one. Why do people have different food habits? It is depend on their culture. People have different food habits. People have different food habits because of their customs, culture, age, nature of work, climate, and local crafts also. Local crafts also influence the food habits. Influence the food habits. People have different food habits because of their customs, culture, age, nature of work, climate, and local crafts also influence the food habits. Seventh one. Which food items are prepared in your home on special occasions? On the festivals. What are the food items prepared in your home? That is your own answer. మన పండగలలో we may celebrate some of the festivals, no? On the festival days, which are the food items you prepared in the special occasions? Normal ga special days స్పెషల్ వంటకాలు ఏం చేస్తారో మీరు ఇక్కడ రాయండి. లాస్ట్ వన్, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఓన్ ఆన్సర్. రాఖీ పౌర్ణమి రోజు మనం ఏం చేసుకున్నా చెప్పండి. మే ప్రిపేర్ భక్షాలు. ఓకే, అండ్ ఉగాది డే ఆల్సో. అండ్ వినాయక చవితి రోజు పాయసం చేసుకుంటాము, అంతేనా? నెక్స్ట్ వినాయక చవితికి పులిహోర కూడా ఇస్తాం. పులిహోర అండ్ పాయసం. Some of the food items. What are the food items we prepared on special occasions? The food items names you have to write. Okay, that is your own answer. ఏమే ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ మనం అకేషన్స్లో మనం ఫెస్టివల్స్ చేసుకుంటామో ఆ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ నేమ్స్ రాయండి. ఓకే, ఐమ్ రబ్బింగ్ కంప్లీట్. Rubbing. I'm rubbing the board. We are going to learn new lesson, that is earth. What's our lesson? All of you open your course book. Close your workbook and open your course book at the page number 26. Open your course book at the page number 26. Open the what is the lesson name? The earth. What is the lesson name? The earth. Our lesson name is the earth. I'll ask some questions. What is here? I am blue. I am blue. I am blue and green. I am blue, green and light brown. Who I am? Who I am? I am blue, green and light brown. I am the third from sun. I am the third planet from the sun. What is the third planet from the sun? How many planets are there? 8 planets are there now. I am the third planet from the sun. Who I am? And I have only one natural satellite, that is moon. Who is having the moon as a natural satellite? And also it is only one life-giving planet. It is the only one life-giving planet. What is this? It is a globe. Globe is a model of the earth. It is our earth. This globe, this is a globe now. It is a model of our earth. We can't see our earth, no? Mana earth kanapadadu kada? We can't see, no? The astronauts can see, but not we, know. That's what we can imagine this globe as the earth. It's a model. Our earth is look like the globe. It is like this. It's globe. Our earth is like the globe. Understand me? Here, the globe is moving now. What is this? It's a globe. Globe is a model of the earth. Ante ee globe lagane mana earth untundi. How the globe is moving? ఎలా గ్లోబ్ అయితే తిరుగుతుందో ఇలాగే ఇంత ఫాస్ట్గా, ఇంతకంటే చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా ఎవరు తిరుగుతున్నారు? మన ఎర్త్ తిరుగుతుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో రొటేటింగ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ రొటేటింగ్ అంటే ఇలా దీన్ని తిరుగుతుంది. మనం ఇలా తిప్పామనుకో తిరుగుతుంది కదా, తిప్పితే తిరుగుతుంది గ్లోబ్. కానీ తిప్పకపోయినా ఎవరు తిరుగుతున్నారు? ఎర్త్ తిరుగుతుంది. ఎర్త్ ఈస్ రొటేటింగ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ రొటేటింగ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. ఇలా రొటేట్ అవుతుంటుంది. ఎవరు? ఎర్త్. ఓకే. అండ్ Wait. What is the shape of our earth? Shape. ఈ గ్లోబ్ ఏ షేప్లో ఉంది చెప్పండి నాకు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ స్పిరికల్ షేప్. స్పిరికల్ మీన్స్ లైక్ ఏ గ్లోబ్, లైక్ ఏ బాల్. బాల్ ఉంది కదా, బాల్ ఏ షేప్లో ఉంటుంది? ఇట్ ఈస్ స్పిరికల్ షేప్. లైక్ బాల్, అవర్ ఎర్త్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ స్పిరికల్ షేప్. ఓకే, స్పిరికల్ షేప్, నాట్ రౌండ్, స్పిరికల్. స్పిరికల్ అంటే ఒక దగ్గర ఇలా లావుగా ఉండి ఒక దగ్గర ఇక్కడ సన్నగా ఇక్కడ లావుగా మధ్యలో ఇట్లా ఉబ్బినట్టుగా ఉంటుంది కదా, దాన్ని స్పెరికల్ షేప్ అంటారు. అవర్ గ్లోబ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ స్పెరికల్ షేప్. ఓకే, నౌ లిసన్ టు మీ. Identify some in the picture. Same in the picture, what does this represent? Here sun is there. Here is the sun. Around the sun, some of the planets may move on its angle, axis. In the middle, what is there? In the middle, sun. Sun is giving light to all the planets. Sun is a huge ball. Sun మన ఎర్త్ కంటే చాలా కొన్ని వేల కోట్ల కంటే పెద్దగా ఉంటాడట. ఓకే, 13 crores of earths we can keep in the sun. The 13 crores of times bigger than 13 crores time bigger is the sun than the earth. మన ఎర్త్ కంటే 13 crores times పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది sun. It is a huge ball. Okay, through the sun the planets are rotating, revolving. How many planets are revolving? 8 planets. దీని చుట్టూ ఎన్ని ప్లానెట్స్ తిరుగుతున్నాయి? సన్ చుట్టూ 8 planets are revolving. Eight planets are revolving around the sun. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 7. 8. It is the solar system. It is called a solar system. It is called a solar system. What is called solar system? The sun and also its planets and their natural satellites is called the solar system. Here, first in the center, sun is there. Sun is in the center. Okay. The first planet is the Mercury. Mercury. M for Mercury. Second planet is the Venus. Second planet is Venus. Second planet is Venus. And third planet is our Earth. Third planet is our Earth. It is blue in color. Third planet is in బ్లూ ఇన్ కలర్. మన ప్లానెట్ ఏ కలర్లో ఉంటుంది తెలుసా? బ్లూ కలర్ లాగా కనబడుతుంది. బికాస్ అవర్ ఎర్త్ కవర్డ్ విత్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్. నార్మల్గా సీ వాటర్ ఏ కలర్లో కనబడతాయి? బ్లూ కలర్ కదా. దట్స్ వాటర్. మన ఎర్త్ పైన చాలా వాటర్ ఉంది కదా. అవర్ ఎర్త్ ఈస్ కవర్డ్ 3/4 ఆఫ్ వాటర్, అంటే 3 parts వాటరే ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు మనం సర్కిల్ తీసుకుంటే 3 parts వాటర్. ఎంత వాటర్? 3 parts వాటర్ ఉంది. ఓన్లీ 1 part is the land. 1 part is the land. 3 parts water is there, no? Water color is blue. That's what Earth is looking like a blue. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Next, Earth after Mars. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet and having lot of natural satellites. Next, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Last one is Neptune. These are the 8 planets. What are the 8 planets? First planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, these are the 8 planets. They are rotating. They are rotating itself. Illa rotate ante dani chutta tirugutundi. This is rotating. It rotating means making a round itself. All the planets are rotating itself. They are rotating itself. Dani chuttu tirugutundi. Okay, all the planets are rotating itself and also revolving around the sun. Understand me? They are rotating. చుట్టూ తిరుగుతూ ఏమవుతుంది? దాని చుట్టూ తిరుగుకుంటూ ఎవరి చుట్టూ తిరుగుతుంది? Around the sun on its axis. This is Mercury's axis. This is Venus axis. This is our Earth axis. Axis means way. It is its axis. The Earth is not going to Venus axis. It won't go. Earth to Venus axis lo velladu. All the planets are revolving around the sun on their own axis. They are revolving around the sun. Our Earth is revolving around the sun on its axis. This is the axis. This is a way. This is a line. This is the line to go. Okay? It won't cross its line. Not only Earth, but also all the planets won't cross their axis. Won't cross. They should go on their axis only. ఇదే లైన్లో వెళ్తాయి. దాని యాక్సిస్లోనే వెళ్తూ ఉంటాయి. They won't touch to another. They won't go to another way. Okay? It is called a solar system. It is called a solar system. Okay? Understand? And also lot of, how many planets are there? 8 planets are there, no? But only on our Earth, living things and non-living things are there. Understand me? None other planets having the life. None other planets. అంటే ఇంకా వేరే ప్లానెట్స్ ఎక్కడ కూడా హ్యూమన్ లైఫ్ లేదు. లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ దేర్. Even the tree also not there. Water puddles. Living things are not there. Understand me? Trees. చిన్న ట్రీ కాదు, చిన్న చీమ కూడా లేదు ఇంకా వేరే ప్లానెట్స్ పైన. స్మాల్ క్రియేచర్స్ ఆల్సో నాట్ దేర్ ఇన్ అదర్ ప్లానెట్స్. ఇన్ మార్స్ నాట్ దేర్, వెనస్ నాట్ దేర్, sorry, Mercury not there, Venus not there, Mars not their life, Jupiter not their life, Saturn not their life, Uranus not their life, and Neptune not their life. Only our Earth is the life-giving planet. అంటే లైఫ్ ఇచ్చే ప్లానెట్. నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్, లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఏ ప్లానెట్ పైన ఉన్నాయి? ఓన్లీ ఆన్ ద ఎర్త్. Understand? Earth is the only planet, only life-giving planet. మనుషులు ఇంకా ఏ ప్లానెట్స్ పైన లేరు. ఏ ప్లానెట్ పైన ఉన్నారు? ఓన్లీ ఎర్త్ పైన ఉన్నారు. మన ఎర్త్ పైన ఉన్నాం, ఇంకెక్కడ లేరు. నాట్ ఓన్లీ హ్యూమన్స్ బట్ ఆల్సో స్మాల్ క్రియేచర్స్. చిన్న చిన్న చెట్టు, చిన్న ప్లాంట్ కూడా లేదు ఏ ప్లాంట్స్ పైన. ఓన్లీ మన ఎర్త్ పైన ఉంది. ఎర్త్ ఈస్ ద life-giving planet. Okay? Tomorrow continue our lesson. Bye.